Guys, as I said, I would have a diamond armor in my next episode. I would start with a diamond armor. It took me a while, but I got it. By the way, my blood is low because of my spear. So I will show you my 100-day clip now, and after that, I will show you the. I think I'm going to build a villager breeder right here, about here, in air, of course. So yeah, I will show you the clip and then start building. Guys, I'm about to reach day 100. I've got some diamonds. मैं इसको of course diamond armor के बाद दिखाऊंगा, but still day 100 पहुंचने वाले. It's a big achievement. Hardcore day 100. It's day played is 99. Let's do it 100. Let's go. This took me so long. चलिए guys, as promised. Diamond armor के बाद में. Guys, now I think you have seen the clip. So now I will start building from there. I mean, I will get the materials. I'm just going to build this almost same this, but like I will let the villagers sleep, and I will try to I'm designing this by myself, by my knowledge, because I mean iron farm was like I when I didn't do YouTube, I had some ideas. Like I watched some YouTube, so yeah, I knew it. But this time I will design it myself. I mean, I will try to. If I can't, I will have to, but I know what to do. So yeah, I will meet you after grabbing some materials. Guys, I was randomly looking for my location. Look what I found. That's a pink sheep. Oh no, I'm getting a lead. I'm getting a lead. I don't care about my hunger. I don't care about anything else. Give me a lead. Give me a lead. No way. No way. Yep. As usual, I thought I shouldn't go that far. Why? Genuinely, why game? Why do you... Oh my... I just lost a pig sheep. Great. Even with spear tactic, I couldn't go fast enough. Oh my god, I... Whatever, guys. And by the way, I have to make it even farther because that cord is 780, so I have to make it around 150 blocks farther. So yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, I will meet you where I am. Like, this is going to be the location, but yeah, meet you after building the everything and doing the infrastructure and stuff. So, guys, I am back after building the farm. It took, as you can see, I was like on day 112 or something when I started this. Then I am now on 138. The main reason is that because I was low on food, so I have to AFK. So yeah, let me show you. So this is the area where two villagers I have kept. Okay. Then I have to crouch to get out. I have made this spot for my AFK, so I can just get it like this, so I can AFK mostly. Then so if you give them villagers, I mean, if you give the villagers bread, they are going to breed and give babies, which will eventually walk from here. But the villagers can't. Oh, I just messed up. But yeah, what I am trying to say is the villagers can't get up from there. So like, I can't get in with even with crouching. So yeah, villagers can't get in. So that's why it's very good. And but the only problem is not automatic. You have to give them bread. I will give like 10 breads. They will breed 5 villagers. And so this is the fall down area. They fall down through this trap. I think there is water place at the end. Yes. And then I go to place a boat whenever I am getting villagers. So the baby villagers don't escape. See, That's why this quote is just lying. I don't know why, but still, I mostly think that's the reason. So you see the guy, you see the funda. I mean, this was completely designed by me because it's definitely not automatic. I don't know how to build automatic and everything. And by the way, guys, I have Lance 3 now on my screen. And to put Unbreaking 3 also, so like it doesn't just run out very fast. It's half SP because of my use. But still, yeah. And this is my addition to my trading world. A baby villager is still there, but I'm still sad because I lost that pink sheep. So guys, I think I'm going to build some farms in the next video. I don't know which one. You guys can suggest me. Mostly I'm going to build a mob farm, but still, oh, my sugarcane farm is good. But yeah, mostly I'm going to build a mob farm or a creeper farm. We will see that. But I'm going to get efficiency 4 first so I can you will buy so I can mine that. I don't like that that is only stripped. So this all needs to be stripped. So you can see that how good and effective it is. I mean, not like it's not automatic, so it won't produce. You have to give them bread, so you can't AFK that much. But still, yeah. And guys, this is what my bro is building. This is his house. This is his chest room entrance. He is borrowing a lot of deep slate. I mean, like, where can we stop? Because what is this? What is this deep slate's name? Like, what is it? Chisel. Looks good. I like his design, but I need to get diamond armor for him also. But I don't like why he did not put 2 stairs. You know what? I will fix it. I will fix it later on. But I'm going to get another diamond pickaxe for myself, so I'm going to need diamonds. So I can put silk touch on it and directly mine stone. Efficiency. I will get efficiency, then silk touch, and then I will make another diamond pickaxe or an iron pickaxe so I can get stone myself. So then I can convert into stone bricks. So I think I will build a creeper farm and a mob farm. Mostly first a mob farm, and I will make it so that spiders can't get in. If they get in, they just destroy the farm. Like they just hog it. And I'm going to test a few things in my creative world, like if the what do you call it? उसका नाम क्या है? हाँ, turtle egg attracts zombies, skeletons and stuff. So yeah, guys, next video we are going to build a farm in the ocean, I guess. Where should I don't, but I am mostly going to build it on land because I know mob farms is going to be working on ocean, but creeper farms should be on land. I think so. I am not sure. So yeah, guys, this is going to be it for this video. I hope you like my mob farm design. I could have done better, but after this villager breeder, now we can do so much things like building auto food farms. Food farm. They are going to be very necessary. So yeah, but I'm still going to be so sad after that pink sheep loss. You know how valuable a pink sheep is. Let's see if things despawn in what do you call it, bedrock, because I have not seen anything despawn so far. Like, where, let's see. I'm definitely. Oh, wait, they have a despawn timer, not loaded chunks timer. I forgot, but I have never seen something despawn. But I have not been 5 minutes there to things that I like despawn. But yeah, honestly, this is for two things just to give the villagers bread, AFK area, and last but not least, trade with them. I mean, genuinely, I'm low on emeralds. I can't do anything else. So yeah, guys, this is going to be it for this video. I can't get out. What am I doing? Yeah, so this is going to be it for this video. Bye bye, Tata. Bye bye. See you in the next one. Okay, let me just. Yep.